In this video, I'll be sharing my art study of this semi-realistic artist called Huta Chan. Almost a year ago, I found her YouTube channel and I was impressed with her skills and pretty artist style. So finally today, I decided to break down her style and share the secrets that I learned by copy studying this artist. For this, I watched a bunch of Huta Chan videos and followed the drawing process to notice how she sketched, what techniques she used, and so on. First, I have to say Huta Chan is a watercolor artist. Her style is semi-realistic as I mentioned at the beginning. Also sometimes draw anime style too. She usually draws girls with big eyes, tiny nose, tiny face, also juicy lips. Juicy lips. I think that's the way Colin talks, it wasn't me. Okay, next. Isn't her artist style like the way AI draw girls? No, it's different. Okay, so the character clothes are usually fantasy and we can find a lot of jewelries here. I didn't mention that she drew goddess characters and that's how female goddess characters dress. The thing that I can notice here is that colors match pretty well in her artworks. I can see the same color tone is repeated in several areas. For example, the color of the eyes are usually the same as hair. Also here, the color of the nails match with the color of this hat edge. Also in this artwork, we can see some blue effects on the hair, which almost match with the color of nails. And another important thing, line art's color is the same as hair and eye color. Okay, so now let's go along with one of the drawing process videos. I can't play this video because my video might get a copyright and destroyed forever, but anyway, I'll explain the process as I'm following this Huta Chan video. I have to mention that Huta Chan doesn't talk in her videos, so I just have to follow what I'm seeing. She doesn't talk in her videos, but her videos are so satisfying, especially when it's sketched with a glass pen. I don't have a glass pen, so I'll go with my simple pencil. Okay, so here, Huta Chan line art the sketch before coloring. I always use it to line art after coloring, but this time I'll go with Huta Chan technique. And she do it with a pink glass pen. But as I mentioned, I don't have a glass pen. I just do it with just a pink ordinary pen. I'm not good at watercolor technique and my watercolor supplies are like some kids art supplies, but it's okay, you know, Huta Chan in one of her videos mentioned that she's using cheap watercolor too. So I think that's a cheer for me. Okay, let's just go with the process. I'm challenging myself again. I also noticed that in most of her videos she starts drawing without any basic sketch or any guidelines, using an ink, which you can't even erase to fix it. It's so interesting, you know, only a pro artist can do that. I can't. I told you that I'm not good at watercolor. I messed up the eye at the beginning of the process. So, because I started it so badly and I knew I was going to continue unsatisfied until the end, I had no other choice but to trace my sketch and start over. Life is so hard. Okay, this time I have to color so carefully. I can see sometimes she gets some help from markers to shade for shading on the watercolor. That's it, and my copy study is done. I hope this video was helpful for you, at least a little. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you want to learn how to draw like a pro by copying Mika Picasso, you can check this video. Bye!